Okay, I'm gonna try to go back down to the spot. I wanted to show y'all how wet Jim got. What the? Show me your pants and stuff, honey. Can y'all see him? Let me make sure they can see you. His shirt, everything got sold. But he's still in that same spot, so it's gonna happen again. Again, this is our 19th wedding anniversary.
Is that him?
Here comes another boat. Get up. Now here comes the boat. I'm gonna show you the. And now watch what happens. Here it comes. But you can also see how beautiful it is out here. When we're on a boat, if we see people out, we slow down. That's like the respectful thing to do. So, anyway, our anniversary. Let's make a little vlog, Jim, and tell them how we made it for 19 years.
One day at a time. I have no idea how it worked.
I don't either. We just hung in there with each other. You think that's what it is?
I reckon.
It's been a pretty good run so far.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. See, I told y'all I ain't that bad. All right, well, huh?
Maybe I'm just tougher than the average bear. I don't know.
Maybe. Somebody said we're in a kind of a low percent of people that stay married. I don't know.
That was me that said that.
No, I think Charlie said that too. Timber and Timothy's with us. Let me see if I can get them. And then I'll wrap this up because I want to fish some. It's so pretty out here. Let me show y'all this part of the lake. This is Jim's hanging a tree. This is the life, I'm telling you. You know, I can be upset and come out here and I love it. Here we go, right here. Look, this is where we usually put our, sometimes we put our boat in. You did not. Hold on, Timber caught a fish. Let me get it on video, please.
Okay.
Jim, Timber caught a fish. Here, pull it up so I can get it on camera, on video. You got to kiss the first fish of the season.
Oh, I'm good. Time to come get it. It's
No.
waiting.
It's.
Dad!
I'll get it. You got to kiss it.
I'm not kissing it. Go get Dad. I want to let him go.
You got it. You're supposed to kiss the first fish. All right, pull it up and I'll get it.
He's ready to go. He's ready to go.
All right, Timothy, you hold the camera. Say hi. We're videoing. Here, swing it over here. Don't move, little fish.
And it's swallowed it.
Maybe
Give it to Dad. Give it to Dad. You're going to kill it.
no, I'm not. You need to calm down. Is Dad coming?
Hey, Jim! Check this fish out.
I don't want him to die.
Then why are you fishing?
Really?
I don't want him to die. You shut up.
No.
Don't cry, Timber. He's not gonna die. It's just hooked. Fish is little tend to swallow. Here, put him in the water just a second. Give him some. Okay, he swallowed the hook. Can you get him?
I don't want it to die.
Hurry, she's crying. Alright, I'll take this back. Okay. And that's our adventures in not being able to be alone on our anniversary when you have kids. And Timber likes to catch the fish but not kill the fish. So we usually catch and release because I love to catch fish, but I don't eat anything that breathes underwater. Sometimes we take, Jim loves fish, so anyway, that one would be too small to keep. That's our day so far. We're gonna get to enjoying it. We're gonna have a bonfire. Let me show you where. Out here. Obviously people's been drinking and stuff out here, I don't know. And want to say that this is proof that you can have fun without alcohol and without drugs, because used to I wouldn't have ever came out here without one or the other or both, usually both. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching and listening.